Good morning, students. Now see this problem. B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. So all profit sharing ratio of B and C is 5:3. Balance sheet is given, and after the balance sheet they told us that they decided to change the profit sharing ratio, and the new profit sharing ratio is 3:5. Three adjustments are given. First adjustment is of goodwill. Goodwill is valued at on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Average profit is given rupees 6,000. So average profit is already given to us for calculating goodwill. In second and third adjustment, machinery and stock to be revalued at rupees 45,000 and 8,000. Revalued amounts of machinery and stock has been given. And in third adjustment, they told us that goodwill not to be shown in the books of the new firm. That is obvious. We will not show the goodwill, but we will pass the journal entry of adjustment of goodwill in the books of accounts. So now we will start to solve the problem. So first we will calculate goodwill of the firm. Average profit is given in the problem in first adjustment, which is rupees 6,000, and they told us that goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Therefore goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. Therefore average profit is rupees 6,000 given in the problem into, as per their instructions, 2 years purchase. So firm's goodwill, that is goodwill of the firm, is equal to 6,000 into 2, that is rupees 12,000. Okay, we have calculated firm's goodwill here. Now we will calculate sacrifice or gain of the partners, and then we will adjust the goodwill according to their gain and sacrifice. So now we will calculation of sacrifice or gain. Calculation of sacrifice or gain. First we will write down old ratio and new ratio. So two partners are there, B and C. First we will write old ratio, which is 5:3. It means 5/8 and 3/8. Now new ratio, it is 3:5 is equal to 3/8 and 5/8. So now we will calculate sacrifice or gain oblique gain is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So for the partner B, first we will calculate. His old ratio is 5/8 minus new ratio is 3/8 is equal to 2/8. As the answer is positive, it is sacrifice, so B is a sacrificing partner. And in case of C, old ratio 3/8 minus new ratio 5/8, so it is negative 2/8. So he is the gaining partner. So we have to pass the journal entry for gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. First we will calculate the amount of goodwill. So amount of goodwill is equal to firm's goodwill 12,000 were already calculated into gain ratio, that is into 2/8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 4 threes are 12, so amount is 3000. So we have to adjust the goodwill amount of rupees 3000, and we will pass the journal entry gaining partners capital account, that is C's capital account, debit 3000, to B's capital account 3000, adjustment of goodwill. We will pass this entry while solving the problem. Okay, now we will solve the problem. They have asked us to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm, means balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So we have drawn revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm as on 1st April 2020. Now we will solve the problem. First, we have to transfer all the items of the balance sheet in these accounts or the new balance sheet. So first, B and C's capital is given. We'll transfer it credit side of capital account. By balance brought down, it is 32,000 and 32,000 and 34,000. So 32,000 and 34,000. After that, they have given us general reserve. So general reserve we will transfer credit side of capital account. So by general reserve, total amount of general reserve is 4,800. We have to distribute this amount between the partners in their old profit sharing ratio, which will be 3,000 and 1,800. Then bank loan and creditors are given. There is no adjustment on bank loan or creditors, so we will transfer this amount directly in the new balance sheet. So balance sheet liability side, bank loan amount is 6,000 directly in outer column. Then creditors, will transfer the amount directly in outer column because no adjustment is given on creditors. Then employees provident fund. Employees provident fund is liability towards employees, so we will transfer this fund directly in the liability side. So employees provident fund, provident fund is called as PF in short form. So employees provident fund is 1,000. Now workmen compensation reserve is given. This reserve was maintained for compensation to the workers if some compensation is to be given to the workers, but as there is no adjustment regarding workmen compensation claim, we will transfer this reserve also to the partners capital account credit side. So by workmen compensation reserve, total amount of reserve is 4,000. We will distribute this amount in the ratio of 5:3, that is old ratio. So amount will be 2,500 and 1,500. Afterwards, we will make posting of asset side. First, in asset side, goodwill is given. When there is goodwill in the old balance sheet, we will return off this goodwill. So we will return off this goodwill means we will transfer this goodwill to partners capital account debit side. So to goodwill account, into bracket we can write return off. We will return off this goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio. The amount of the goodwill is 8,000, so it will be 5,000 for B and 3,000 for C. Then we will transfer all the assets in asset side of the balance sheet. Machinery, furniture, debtor, stock, bank, etc. are given. On machinery and stock there is an adjustment, so we will write their amount in inner column. Machinery first, amount in inner column as there is an adjustment. Then furniture, there is an adjustment, there is no adjustment on furniture, so amount will be in outer column. Then debtors 23,000, no adjustment on debtors, so debtors amount is 23,000 in outer column. Now next item is stock. As there is adjustment on stock, we will transfer the amount in inner column. Then there is bank balance. Bank balance is rupees 5,000. There is no adjustment, so bank amount will be in outer column 5,000. And then advertisement suspense account, we will transfer the advertisement suspense account in debit side of partners capital account. So to advertisement suspense account, total amount is 800, will be distributed in old profit sharing ratio, that is 500 and 300. So all the adjustment all the posting of balance sheet is completed. Now we will start to solve the adjustments. They decided to change the profit sharing ratio into 3:5 and decided that we have already calculated the goodwill of the firm, which was rupees 3,000. So we will make the posting of adjustment entry of goodwill. So you know the adjustment entry of goodwill, it is C's capital account debit to B's capital account as shown in the working note. C's capital account debit to B's capital account 3,000. So C's capital account debit to B's capital account, debit side of C's capital account to B's capital account, we have to write 3,000. And second posting, credit side of B by C's capital account, amount in B's column 3,000 dash in C's column. So we have solved the first adjustment. Now we will read the second adjustment. Machinery and stock to be revalued at rupees 45,000 and rupees 8,000. First we will solve adjustment of machinery. Machinery is to be revalued at rupees 45,000, means there is appreciation in the amount of machinery. Amount of machinery is increasing, so add appreciation. As we are to make the amount 45,000, there will be increase in the machinery of rupees 7,000, so add appreciation 7,000. Outer column amount will be rupees 45,000 as per their expectation. Appreciation in the value of asset is profit to the firm, so we will transfer it to the revaluation account credit side. So by machinery, amount of appreciation is rupees 7,000. Now stock to be valued at rupees 8,000, so there is also appreciation in the value of stock, so add appreciation rupees 1,000. Outer column amount will be 8,000. They have told us to make the amount 8,000, old amount is 7,000, so difference is 1,000, so appreciation is of rupees 1,000. We will transfer this credit side of revaluation account by stock rupees 1,000. and goodwill not to be shown in the books of the new firm were already solved by passing the journal entry, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. So now we have to tally the problem. First, revaluation account we will tally. Total of credit side is 8,000 and total of debit side is 0. So 8,000 we will write here, and as there is no amount in debit side, the balance will be rupees 8,000, which will be transferred to partners capital account. We will distribute the amount between B and C in their old profit sharing ratio. As old profit sharing ratio is 5:3, the distribution will be rupees 5,000 and rupees 3,000. Now we will make the second posting of this entry. Credit side of partners capital account by revaluation account. Amount will be 5,000 in B's column and 3,000 in C's column. Now we will tally partners capital account. First we will tally B's debit and credit side, that is B's capital account. The column of B means B's capital account and column of C means C's capital accounts. First we will tally B's column. Credit total of B's capital account is 45,500. So, and debit total is 5,500. Higher amount is 45,500. So 45,500, 45,500. We will deduct 5,500 from 45,500 and the balance will be 40,000. It is easy. Then of C, we will tally C's credit column and C's debit column with each other. Total of credit side is 40,300. It is correct. We will write it down here also. From 40,300 we will deduct 6,300 and the balance will be 34,000. Two balance carried down, 40,000 and 34,000. Now we will write down these balances of capital account in the balance sheet. Capitals B and C. You can write the amounts in inner column and total in outer column, or directly the amounts you can write in outer column. So 40,000 and C 34,000. Now we will tally the balance sheet to complete the problem. Debit total of balance sheet is, liability total of liability side is 86,000 and total of credit side is also 86,000 and the problem is tallied. Okay.